Hi guys, welcome to Code Wild, and today in this video we are going to discuss a question called find the tangent. It's basically a similar question in LeetCode. And before starting the question, I want you to read the question once. I hope you have read the question. So basically, they're saying that there is a town and there are n people in the town, and there is a rumor that there is a town judge. For finding the town judge, there are following conditions like town judge trusts nobody. So trust nobody. Town judge trusts nobody means town judge trusts zero. I mean he doesn't trust anybody, and everybody else uh, trust everybody except the town judge trust the town judge. That is, for example, if there are n people, n minus 1 people trust town judge. Can we say that? Because town judge except the town judge, because town judge is not like trusting himself. So everybody else, the town judge trusts the town judge. So the number of people trusting the town judge is n minus 1, right? So the third condition is there is only exactly one person who is satisfying this property. Okay. So for finding the town judge, they have given the array. Array, what array represent is AI comma BI. What AI means? AI trusts the person BI, right? So we have to return the town judge, and if there is no town judge, return minus one. Let's see the first example. So first example, it says that there are two people. 1 2. What 1 2 means? One is trusting the second person, right? AI trusts the labeled person BI. So one trusts two, right? So basically two is the town judge. Why? Because two is not trusting one, and everybody else uh two is trusting two, right? One is trusting two. So two is the town judge. So the in degree of 2 is 1 and out degree of 2 is 0. What do I mean by this? This is the concept basically. So let's see the second example using the concept, how we are going to code it. So let's open the paint. So basically we are using a sort of a graph concept here. Using a directed, we are going to solve it using the directed edge concept, that is in degree and out degree. Let's discuss what in degree and out degree. uh, let's take the second example. It says 1323, right? So there are three people. It says that 1 3 and 2 3. So first let's recap the condition once again. For town judge, town judge trust none, that is trust equal to 0. He trusts none. Everybody trust equal to, sorry, I'm not able to write, and n minus 1, right? We have discussed everybody else, the town judge trusts the town judge. So n minus 1. N minus 1 people trust the town judge. So basically, can we say that 1 trust 2, 3, as the question suggests, 1 trust 3 and 2 trusts 3. So it's basically sort of like a directed graph, right? If we represent this using if we map this using a diagram, this is sort of like a graph, directed graph. So what is the, now let's discuss the concept of in degree and out degree. What is the in degree of 3 2? What is the out degree of 3 0? What is the in degree of 1 0? What is the out degree of 1 1? How we are doing this? Basically, the out degree is the is the point. If the pointing of a certain node is pointing outside, then it's called out degree. If something is pointing inside, then it's an in degree. For 3, two edges are pointing towards 3, so in degree will be 2. What will be out degree? Out degree will be 0. Why? Because 3 is not pointing to any of the edges. For example, If 1 is pointing towards 2, what will be the out degree of 1? 1, because now it's pointing towards 2, right? Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. What out degree will be 2. Sorry. If it is point, if even 2 is trusting 1, means the integral will be 1. Fine. So what did we derive from this? For a town judge, the in degree should be 2 and out degree will be 0. Am I right? Because town judge doesn't trust anyone, right? So out degree will be 0 because there is no edge directing outside the 3, right? Uh, but uh, but other edges are pointing towards 3. That is, the number of nodes will be 2, right? N minus 1, as I said. So basically, now can we code it? Now we have got the concept. Now let's do it. Now let's take, we can take a vector, or even you can take a array. I'm taking a vector in this case. You have to take two vectors that stores in degree and out degree. So let's take in, and let's take it from n plus 1, and let's keep an initial value as 0. What will be the out? Sorry, int out and n plus 1 and 0. And let's take for this is basically a modern way of using a for loop. Let's take it as t for our simplicity, and let's say that for integrity, yeah, for integrity, what will be the integrity in this case? 2. For integrity, for it will be for 2, right? So I mean the second element will be having the integrity. So it of 1 will be plus plus, and output of it of 0 will be plus plus. Basically, this can be also written as, for your better information, this can also be written as uh, and we can, this is it of I comma 1 plus plus, and out of this plus plus. Basically both are the same thing. This is somewhat the modern type of approach, and this is the normal for loop. You get the idea now, right? Okay. So now we are just now we have to just display it, as we saw the condition that what is the rule for a town judge, that is, if in degree of I is double equal to n minus 1, right, as we discussed, and out degree of I is double equal to 0. If this condition satisfies, then return I. I is the town judge, or else just return minus 1 because we don't have a town judge. I hope we have written everything perfectly. Let's run this. There is an error. Let's see what is an error. Why it is showing us minus 1. Oh, sorry. I'm really sorry. This should start from 1 because we don't have a zeroth node, and it will go till the n, right? If there is two numbers, the node goes from 1 to the n, right? So yeah, I think now it should work. Yes, it's working. Let's submit. Yes, yeah. I hope you have understood the solution. If you like the solution, please do like and subscribe to the channel because many more contents are going to come from this channel, like web development, series on web development and on machine learning. A lot other contents are coming pretty much soon from this channel. So uh, please do subscribe to the channel and happy coding and do keep coding and yeah, stay safe. Thank you.